We're here at Ratwood now, and about 2 years ago we have a major problem with cardboard plastic. So we had to start some process of actually reusing all our produce. So what we done, the first thing we purchased was a Miltech baler maybe 2 years ago. Now since then we've been baling cardboard, and we're producing about 50 tonne of cardboard a year. Not being sold, sorry, it's being used again. The problem is waste in Ireland is a major problem, and we're all to blame for it because we're creating so much refuge. Now we have to train ourselves, and that's what we've been doing, and I have been trying to do that with our staff for the last few years, to train them to actually reuse produce. The cardboard was the major one. Plastic is my next problem. Now since in the last 3 or 4 months I have got a new plastic container from Miltech again. It's clear plastic, so I can actually see what's in the bag. Now what we're doing is we're putting plastic into that, and we're actually baling it as well, and that plastic can be reused again as well. Now also the clear plastic, I think, is a brilliant idea, that we can see into bags, and that will make it easier for myself to actually segregate the goods, and that they can be reused again as well.